हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज एक नए एक्सपेरिमेंट के साथ मेरी ये चैनल ईयर डॉट सथवारा दिनेश में आपका स्वागत है। अभी तक आपने ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं की है तो कर दीजिए और साथ में बेल आइकॉन भी दबा दीजिए, जिससे आपको नए नए वीडियोस की जानकारी मिल सके। Today we are going to perform the test split tensile strength of concrete. Split tensile strength of concrete cylinder is not varies with the grade of concrete, but also depend upon the age of concrete. So the aim is to determine the splitting tensile strength of concrete specimen, and the apparatus required is weight and weighing device, tools, container and pan for carrying material and mixing, a circular cross-section rod of 16 mm diameter and 600 mm length, compression testing machine, and cylinder of 150 mm diameter and 300 mm height. And here is the formula for finding split tensile strength. The formula is T is equal to 2P upon pi LD, and T for split tensile strength, P for maximum applied load indicated by testing machine, and L for length of the cylinder specimen, and D is the diameter of the specimen. First of all, take 3.5 kg cement, then take aggregate 13 kg as per the mix proportion 1 gem 2 gem 4. Take sand 7 kg and water 2.1 liter. So the material required is cement, sand, aggregate and water, and also a cylindrical mold with oiling. Here we use hand mixing process for making a concrete. There are two methods for mixing process: machine mixing and hand mixing. Machine mixing is used for mass concreting work, and hand mixing used for small scale work and experiment purpose. Mix properly and make a cone shape you can see in the video. Then after add water and again mix properly. Then after add remaining water and again mix properly so you can make a good concrete. After mixing process, fill the mold with this concrete. Fill the mold in 3 layers, and each layer is compacted by using steel rod. The steel rod diameter is 16 mm and 600 mm length. Fill the concrete in 3 layers, and each layer is compacted by 25 blows using steel rod. After compacting, finishing the top surface you can see in the video. Then fill the another mold with same process. Each layer is applying 25 blows. Then finishing the surface and put this cylinder specimen mold in a safe place for 24 hours. You can see in the video. After 24 hours, remove the mold remove the nut bolt of the mold and take out the specimen from the mold. Take out carefully so for the not damaging his edge. After that, put this mold into the water for 28 days. Put it carefully so all the surface of the specimen is sink down in water. You can see in the video. After 28 days, first of all, take a weight of the specimen. Remove the specimen from water and take weight. Then after, set the specimen into the compressive testing machine. You can see in the video. Preparing setup, applying the load, you can see in the video. So you can get the result. Here we saw the vertical crack in the cylinder specimen. Here we applying 100 kilonewton load. You can see in the video. Now observation table. Here we take mix proportion 1 gem, 2 gem, 4. As per mix proportion, here we take cement sample 3.5 kg, sand 7 kg and aggregate almost double of the sand is 14 kg. Here we take water cement ratio 0.6. So as per water cement ratio, we get water required for the making concrete is 2.1 liter. And the diameter of specimen or cylinder is 150 mm and the length of the specimen is 300 mm. And breaking load, as per the experiment, here we get breaking load 100 kilonewton. So now we calculate the splitting tensile strength. The equation of splitting tensile strength is 2p upon pi LD. 2 into P for breaking load is, here we apply breaking load 100 kilonewton. So we convert into Newton. So here we multiply by 10 raised to 3. So into 3.14 length. Here the length of specimen is 300 and the diameter is 150. So we get 1.41 Newton per mm square splitting strength. Now we go for the result. As per the calculation, the splitting strength of specimen is found to be 1.41 Newton per mm square. And the conclusion, as per IS 5816, we found the splitting tensile strength of concrete is 1.41 Newton per mm square. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.